I need a bath.
I want a bath.
I want a bath.
I need a bath.
The U-Milli shower machine allows you to take a shower anytime, anywhere. Our system can spray micron-sized water molecules onto the hair, along with our specialized shampoo. Simply activate the suction mode. Cleaning and drying short hair takes only 1 minute, while long hair requires 3 to 5 minutes. The cleansing head is ergonomically designed to penetrate deep into the scalp, providing a gentle massaging effect. The ultra-high-speed brushless motor can efficiently extract 90% of the water from the hair after cleaning. Achieve wash and dry in 1 step. Bathing pets is often time-consuming and laborious. With our machine, there's no need to step into the bathroom. Just spend 3 minutes and you can wash a long-haired pet without worrying about water splashing issues. For facial cleansing, it can provide a rapid, deep cleanse that removes dirt from your pores. Our specially formulated cleaning cotton, crafted from pure plant fibers, is enriched with glucomannan to nourish the skin elasticity. Achieving a thorough and swift body cleanse requires just 5 minutes with 300 milliliters of water. You can bathe 3 to 5 people with 1 tank. No need for drying afterward, transforming showering into an enjoyable experience.